G'day guys, this is my 2000 Mitsubishi Legnum, and I did have a drama with my moonroof not opening. So what I would do is once the car was on, I'd tell the switch to go, the moonroof would go to there and move back just a fraction and stop. And then also to shut it, I would have to actually physically push up on the glass to make this shut. So what I've done to try and solve this was I got to the internal motor up here. I had to take off the Jesus bar, visor, lights, visor, and bar here. I had to pop out a clip over here, and from there I'm able to pull this down. Now, I'd say the previous owners attempted that just going by the grime that's on here. But with that removed, I can see this here, which if I zoom in a bit, we have the motor here, which is held in by three 10mm bolts. So I'll zoom back and go from a different perspective. Up in, you can see the two gold bolts on the left and the right, and another one over here. So what I did was undid all three of those and dropped it down and disconnected its cable, which is located about there with the foam pad over it. So I used a flathead screwdriver to separate it. And in there you can see these gold looking pipes running along. Those gold pipes contain what almost looks to be a chain. And once I dropped it out of here, once I dropped the motor down, there was a cog on it, which with that cog was heavily grimed and dirtied up over the years. So I gave that a clean with some WD-40 and a wire brush, and it's looking pretty decent. Also the grease that's in there had solidified, and in part was essentially no good. So once I'd done that, I also sprayed WD-40 all along here to try and get it moving once more. Then after that, I was able to actually get it open. So previously, I could get to there and stop, but I kept holding open and actually pushed the glass open. And then from there it released and was able to open up for me. It does sound like it still has some resistance, but it's definitely working compared to before where it was not. So what I've done as well, let's get hop out of the car. With that done, I was able to take out the deflector, 1 screw, 2 screw, 3 screws, and that was able to come out. You can do the same on this side. And from there, you can see the chain. So it goes all the way up here, all the way down, looking very messy there. Go over here as well. Looking very messy there too, and up here. So what I'd recommend, if you can actually open it up, is give this section a clean, lubricate it. Same with over here on this side. Hopefully that should get your sunroof opening once more. Anyway, that's my problem and what my solution was for my Legnum moonroof. Hope that helps, and I'll see you guys later.